Hey Cookaholics, I'm Chef Kendra, and today we are making a beautiful and delicious steak that we're going to season with Greek seasonings. We're going to make our own Greek seasoning and we're going to put it in a flatbread. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. First thing we're going to do is hook up our Greek seasoning mix. We're not going to need all this. Let's start. Oregano, garlic powder, kosher salt, dried minced onion, basil, dill, parsley, black pepper, thyme, marjoram, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And we're going to mix this up well. That's it, guys. Next thing we're going to do is put this stuff in an everyday garden variety zip top bag. We're going to label it and stick it in the pantry, and it'll last 6 months. Now we have Greek seasoning, salt, oregano, and black pepper. This is top sirloin steak that was completely thawed when I bought it. I stuck it in the freezer for about 15 minutes, and it makes slicing the steak easier. My mom taught me this trick way before I went to culinary school, where they taught me this trick. My mom made an awesome pepper steak, but I digress. We're going to slice the steak into thin strips, just like so. We're putting our strips in a zip top bag. Now we're taking our seasoning and putting them in the bag. Leave a little bit of bag open and squeeze the bag, mixing the meat and seasoning together well, and set aside. Now we're going to chop some onion. Now I have some baby portabellas. I'm going to wash them and slice them. Throw in a little olive oil and some butter. And the pot in this cast iron skillet is on medium low. Now we're going to throw the onions in. Now we're just going to stir and cook them until they get a little color on them. You know how we do, y'all. Gotta get a little color on them onions. Smells so good. Now we got that steak that we seasoned earlier. And we're going to get that in the pan. Now we're just going to cook and stir until the steak is at the desired doneness you like. This is a very personal thing. But when it's almost to your desired doneness, a little before, when you see it coming, add your mushrooms. Oh my goodness, it smells terrific. The cast iron skillet full of yum, son. Okay, at this point, I'm gonna add the portabellas. And I'm just gonna cook and stir until the mushrooms are soft. Yo guys, that's right there for me. Right there. And as you can see, that is a little bit of a sauce. Okay. Wow, that's amazing. Wow, guys, that is amazing. Yo, you can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. Go over there, push recipe blog, and you'll be able to find the recipes. Okay, that's all for this time. See you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.